All right, guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. As you can see, I'm taking a quick 9 lots buy. Today is the 28th of June 2023. I'm just taking a buy because I know the markets will go up. This is not a system A trade or system B trade. It's just a quick scalp trade from experience. Remember, if you want to copy my trade, sign up with Milga Markets, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 to be able to connect to my account and copy my trades. If you want to test my software that does all the analysis for you, tells you when to buy, sell, exit, where to hedge, how to swing, where to scalp, everything for you in seconds. Sign up with Milga Markets. Make sure you have at least $100 to $150 and send me proof of this, and you can test my software for free for 2 weeks. Remember, if you want to buy the course to learn how to scalp and hedge your trades, we are doing it with live trades, live hedging, live swing trades. That is how I teach my students. Go to hedgingmastermind.com and we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. Like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you comment. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we're getting closer and closer to hitting take profits, closer and closer to hitting take profits, closer and closer to hitting take profits. The only there you go, take profits hits. The only reason why we're able to grow this account so fast is because of hedging. When you are hedging, you encounter no losses. $250 deposited, $250 withdrawn. We are trading free with the market's money. We've made almost $15,000 profit in less than 3 months scalping this account. I will post the history of this account every weekend so that you can look through it. Remember, if you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. If you want to copy my trade, sign up with Milga Markets. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 to be able to connect to my account and copy my trades. If you want to test my software for free that does all the analysis in seconds, sign up with Milga Markets. You can test it for 2 weeks, but make sure you have at least $100 to $150 in your account to be able to test my software with live trades, so I know that you're serious. And yeah, this is it for today. We'll be right back with another scalping video very soon. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com and we'll be right back with another video soon. Like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you comment. And also, you can fund your account and come copy my trades because I do live streams 3 times a week and you can join for that. Like, share, and comment, and we'll be right back with another trade soon.